kum kajing pencelur berkajing ai mensim, bakinang minot hakijing pule, karaj laban social, sports and cultural organization. Hakasing sajany kalai pohotrik uyayong, kalapan kuburom, yalai spa kanai puwe ngut ki samla pule, kibala pas baha, haki kardan pule kiba per, kibadei na South Shillong constituency. Karaj laban social, sports and cultural organization. Kalayo ban kuburom, yakini ki laispa kanai puengut ki samla pule, lengba ka jingkershan, jong MLA katany, ubaderu presiden jong ka organization, Bah Sanbor Shulai, ya kabala penlong, ha usosotham auditorium Shillong. Ya ka jing kuburom, lapia haki kardan ki ba per, nalor ki ba pas bah haki SSLC, HSSLC, undergraduate, but postgraduate. Lapan kuburom ru iki samla, kibala pas baha, kibadei ne kilongying kibaduna kayo kakot, bad iki baduna dukhat met, henry kibala lek baha pat hagi jing pule jongki. Hakane kasngi, lai khusnam kerpang ru, syakilai pu arngut ki samla pule, kibala pas baha syakmat, ne kibadei ki topper, hakabau Bah Sanbor Shulai, ula aiti hi, daki laptop, kum kadak ban pencelureki, hagi jing pule kibakham syajrong. Hakane kasngi, ladan langru da MLA ka BJP na penthor umkra, ubadairu chief advisor, sya menteri rangba, uba ALHEC kum ukongsan, nangta presiden ka BJP Meghalaya, uba Arnes Mauri, kum usembut kongsan, uba Hardiap Rentatiang, general secretary ka BJP Shillong City, uba Walambo Kongwir, UMDC Barim Kalaban, uba Ricky Shulai, ki kimi kikpa jong ki kena school, nalor ki wei pat, ki bala syakwat ngubha.
Approach. What is that holistic approach? A good human being. What Bah Sanbor has said in his speech when he has given his welcome speech, we have to be good human being. Be secular. It cannot be a communal. That the spirit and the message as goals should go and also inculcate in the minds of our young students today. We need to inculcate or imbibe the spirits of the great human being. Today we want to produce also the country, our state, our country. Of course we need a good and meritorious student. At the same time also we need a greater required today the desire of the society today. We need a great human being. A human being who respects the others. We are all human beings created by same God as I said by your person, but Honorable MLA from the Laban constituency. We should be secular, not communal. Communal cannot be accepted in our society today. No hatred can be accepted in our society today. First, we are human beings. The rest, the all will be followed. So, my young student, I know you have been to pursue your education from one class to another class. You bring up and up and up. But remember once, when you bring up and up and up, your leg is always on the ground. When you are walking, you have to see your ground also. Of course, you have been pursuing your education higher and higher and higher to your studies. But one thing you should understand, your legs there are on the ground. When your legs on the ground, then you will see. You have to walk to the ground. That's why we call the simple as a beautiful and the humble as a very powerful. So this two words, if you keep in your mind, you will be carrying yourself to anywhere you would like to go, you will carry with yourself. That's why I'm saying this. Many of our young students, but even our parents, being also a parent, sometimes we are lead our life by our ego. Why you are allowing our ego to lead our life? Why you are allowing our ego to lead our life? If you have to lead our life, you should control your egos. Egos should not come in our life today. So I will not take much of our time. There's so many other programs will be there and so many, distributions of the meritorious award and also to the topper. Once again, I congratulate to each one of you. Kubei Shibot, God bless you, and Metala. Kubei.
May I request Ms. Sri Paul, Ms. Iba Cordol Hartsipio, Ms. Regina Lingdo,
Look at
Ms. Mervish Arshi,
look at
is from Open Modern High Secondary School, with the year 1997, with distinction in science, maths, and education.
Look here. Look here.
And economics. Laman Reports, High Secondary School, 94.40, English, economics, business. He had distinction in physics, English, physical education, distinction. Mr. Shakib Ahmed Khan of Kendra Vidyalaya.
Look here.